for sale apartment in natural area. This side is mountain and this side is Marmara Sea. This side is auto park. There are 2 blocks. Okay, this apartment is for sale. Very nice apartment in natural area. Clean apartment, 195 square meter, 4 rooms, 3 toilets with elevator for sale apartment. The entrance of the compound, garden duplex at sea view apartment. The compound is very nice. In fresh area. The entrance of the apartment. There is also elevator here. There is elevator and the entrance of the apartment. The living room is very wide. Really clean apartment. Okay, also sea view. This is balcony. This is your garden and view. The view is perfect. There is perfect view. This is kitchen. Kitchen also very wide. Finishing is good. This is first room. This is toilet and also shower handle for old age customer. This is another room. This is another room. This is bathroom and toilet. Shower box, wet closet. Another room. Master room. Master room is very wide. Very wide. And this is master bed. This is your garden. From this side to this side and open view for sale apartment.